In this video I'm going to show you how to see your Facebook password even if you forgot it. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. You may be still logged in your Facebook application, but you might too forgot your Facebook password. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use Password Manager to remember your password. As you know, Google saves all of your password if you gave him permission to do that. So you need to Google application to be installed on your device, or you can use the website google.com. It doesn't matter. To see your password you will act in the same way. So I open up Google application. After that, tap on my profile picture, select manage your Google account. Here select security and there scroll all the way down until I find Password Manager. Here it may ask you to enter your password. I did it before, and now there I can search through 500 of password that was saved in my Google account. Maybe I entered Facebook password before on my computer, I don't know. I just tap here in the search bar and in search password I'll put in Facebook. And here it is. I tap on Facebook website. Here I need to confirm my login again. And now here I got my Facebook email and my Facebook password. It's hidden for now, but if I tap on that eye with a line icon, I will be able to see my Facebook password. And that's how it works. So make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.